Hello everyone, my name is Mrs. Moyer and I'm with Healthy Habits Start Now. Today we are going to make a really fun recipe with you. I have two helpers that are going to help me make some food today. I have
Allison
and
Natalie.
And we're going to make something called Grape and Apple Go-Go's. Alright, so we're going to get to play with our food today. You girls get to play with your food often?
Yes.
Sometimes we do. So we have two foods today. We have apples and we also have some grapes. You want to show them a grape? And Natalie, do you know what food group apples and grapes belong to?
Fruit.
They are fruits. Very good. So we are using apples and grapes that we had at our house today. We're using a Gala apple and then also just some red grapes. You can use whatever your favorite apple is, whatever your favorite grape is, okay? And our recipe today is actually going to look like a car. That's why it's called Grape and Apple Go-Go's. We also have two other materials that we're going to use today. Allison, tell us what one of those is.
A toothpick. Be careful. They are pointy.
They're pointy on both ends. We're going to be really careful with those. And Natalie, what else are we going to use for our recipe today?
We are going to have a knife.
And even though these are plastic, they are still sharp. So whenever you're using knives or things like toothpicks, you're going to want to make sure an adult is there to help you. All right, so we have already done what before we started this today?
Wash our hands.
For how many seconds?
20.
20 seconds, or you can use hand sanitizer. We always want to wash up before we are using tools or touching our food or eating, okay? All right, so our first step is actually already done for us. So we cut our apple into 8 different slices, so each of the girls has 1 slice, okay? And then we also have 4 grapes. So show them, Allison, how we're gonna cut our grapes. So she's cutting it right down the middle. Okay, those are gonna be our wheels. Natalie, you wanna show? Okay. We're gonna do that very good to all of our grapes. So how many wheels are we gonna end up with, Allison?
8.
We should have 8 wheels. Okay, I'll take the knives because, all right, go ahead and finish those, Natalie. Yep, you can finish cutting and then I'll take that knife from you. Okay, thank you. Okay, so we're gonna choose one of our apple slices. Okay, to make this look like a car, we need to put 1 toothpick through the top. Okay, and then we're going to take 1 grape, 1/2 of the grape, and slide it in. You might have to hold that so it doesn't move on you. Be careful when you're putting your toothpick in that you don't push on the pointy side. Okay, very good, Natalie. Now you're going to take 1/2 of your grape and you're going to put the cut side through. There you go. Okay, now do the same thing here too. Yes, and then you're going to put in 1 more toothpick. So you need wheels in the front of your car and wheels in the back of your car.
Yeah, I have a car.
All right, show everybody your car. So let's see if we can put it a little closer. So here's her little car. Okay, her Apple a Go-Go.
Can I make
Yes, go ahead and make the rest. Oh, good job, Natalie. Yep, looks like a car. Go ahead and do some of your others. And this would be a really fun snack for a party. If you're having a party, kids would like to do this.
It's not cars.
You get to play with your food a little bit. What other foods could we use for this?
Pineapple.
Maybe pineapple slices, okay. What could you use for wheels? Tomatoes. What about a banana? Could you slice a banana and have circle wheels for the banana?
Mm-hmm.
All right, so we'll let Natalie finish her last apple, and then Allison's already started on the taste test, but we'll do our official taste test in just a minute. All right, here's Natalie's car. Let's show everybody what you made. There's her car. Okay, so let's try want to try the apple first or the grape? Oh, Natalie tried a grape. What do you think, Natalie? Thumbs up, thumb to the side, or thumbs down? What do you think about the grape? She likes the grape. Allison, what do you think about the grapes? 2 thumbs up for the grapes. All right, try our apple. You might want to, take that toothpick out when you're eating so it doesn't poke your face or poke your mouth. Apples are thumbs up, thumbs to the side, thumb down. Could you make a kind of dip or anything for your cars? Would you want to dip it in anything?
Well,
Yogurt?
Raspberry. Like that raspberry stuff.
Raspberry.
Raspberry have wheels.
Raspberry is wheels. That's another fruit you could use. Or blueberries as little tiny wheels.
That's a strawberry.
And strawberries. All right. We hope that you enjoyed this very tasty recipe, grape and apple go-go's. And we will see you all next time. Bye, everyone.